Welcome to the next episode of Super Military TV. Roketsan and STM have created an intelligent kamikaze drone, ALPAGUT, that can be launched from Bayraktar Ikinci. The Turkish companies STM and Roketsan have developed a new bomber munition. It is called ALPAGUT, which can operate at day or night, is effective against mobile or stationary land and sea targets, radar and communication systems, critical facilities, personnel and targets of opportunity. ALPAGUT can be used in single or swarm configurations with an operational radius of 60 kilometers, an operational time more than 60 minutes, and different types of warheads. Once fired or released, the system will enter into target detection, tracking and evaluation mode. Hovering in the air, and the onboard TV/IIR seeker feeds the real-time video image to the operator. ALPAGUT then attacks the identified target after obtaining user approval from the ground autonomously. ALPAGUT can detect and recognize targets with its dual-mode seeker without being noticed or affected by jamming systems. The target can be pinpointed with an onboard guidance control system. In addition to all these features, the system also offers significant advantages to its users through its fire and forget ability, and its rapid integration into manned and unmanned land/air/sea vehicles. Technical specifications: operating range 60 kilometers, endurance 60 minutes, warhead 11 kilograms, high explosive blast fragmentation, armor piercing and thermobaric warhead options, weight 45 kilograms, height 2.3 m, target set, mobile and stationary air defense systems, radar or communication systems, command centers, light armored land vehicles, etc., integrated air platforms, MALE and HALE class UAVs, fixed-wing aircraft, attack and general-purpose helicopters, i.e. Ikinci, TB3, Aksungur, ANKA, Herkes. Attack 2, KBE, integrated land platforms, land vehicles, unmanned land vehicles, Thanks for watching this episode of Super Military TV.